Welcome to AI Tell Us 7. Today, I am here with another interesting question and step-by-step solution. Are you ready to solve it? Let's begin.
T squared minus t cubed equals 12. Write the equation in standard form. Move all terms to one side. Now, rearrange in descending powers of t. To make it easier, multiply both sides by -1. So equation would be Now try to factor the cubic. Now we check for integer roots using trial value. Let's try t equals -2. Substitute in equation. So t equals -2 is one of the roots.
Now we factor out t plus 2. If t equals -2 is a solution, then t plus 2 must be a factor. This comes from the factor theorem. So we know t to the third minus t squared plus 12 equals t plus 2 times something. Now we find this something. Try t plus 2 times t squared minus 3t plus 6. We will simplify this equation to check whether it's right. So we have exact same equation. So it means now we solve this quadratic equation. T squared minus 3t plus 6. Use the quadratic formula. We have a equals 1, b equals -3, and c equals 6. Apply these values to formula. Since square root -15 is imaginary, therefore, final answer would be. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.